and the team especially, who are working really hard to bring this campaign together.
It's been amazing. It's really exciting being with the whole IBA team here in this setting. I've never really cooked like this before.
My name is Thiago, I'm from Brazil. I'm here on the MasterClass and this has been a great experience. This is the place because that synergy we had here was amazing.
White sauce pasta with like a chicken steak on top. No, I wasn't expecting it to be this nice. Like the facilities are really nice. Yeah. 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 Thank you so much.
My name is Artem and I came from Ukraine, and I really enjoyed this culinary program, and I recommend for every student to do this also because it's very good experience and it's good to you can get your diploma here.